Hi there, welcome to my how to plait a horse's tail tutorial. In this video I'm going to run through how to plait from the start. So to start off with, you make sure that the horse is sparkling clean. You've scrubbed the hell out of their dock and you've got all that dirt, flakes of skin. You've got everything off the dock of the tail so that the tail and the hair is sparkling clean to plait. You can't do this successfully with a dirty tail, okay guys? So to start off with, I spray it with some water and then I get my product Stays In, Champion Tail Stays In. I spray that onto the tail, onto the hair, onto the dock where I'm going to plait on all those hairs. That makes it really important to this plaiting job because that plaiting spray and that hair being a bit moist, it really helps the hairs move around and bend and stick and stay together. So much easier to work with the hairs making the plait. So to start off the plaiting braid, I make sure I'm up really high on a step or a stool, facing down on the hairs. So you get little tiny strands together and pull them in and just slowly, don't rush it. If you're new to it, practice makes perfect, guys. I highly recommend practice. It's the only way that you get better at anything. Go for gold and just practice until you get the technique down pat and you've sharpened your eye to a really high standard of tail plaiting presentation. Whatever you put your mind to, you can do it. So as long as you just try, you will get there in the end. So it's just a repetitive grab little bits of hairs on the side of the dock and work your way down the tail. I like to plait until 10-15 centimeters from the bottom of the dock. So go a fair way down the side down the whole dock of the tail and just plait it in neatly. So the biggest tip is, apart from the products and a clean tail, is grab little strands of hairs. Don't grab big thick strands of hairs. That is not correct. You want to grab little teeny tiny thin strands to have that really nice overall well presented plaited show horse tail. So sit back and relax, guys. This is the process of me plaiting a tail for the show ring. Once you've finished plaiting as far as you need to go, break away and stop pulling hairs in from the side of the dock and just plait the plait straight down to the ends of the hairs, and then go along the side of that plait and trim it with the scissors, and then fold it and sew it, which I'm going to show you in a moment. Now you don't have to get every little hair, but I try and make it as neat and tidy as possible just along the side here. Now this is my plaiting thread. Make sure that you have the right colour plaiting thread. So I have black mane tail, obviously white for white grey horses, and chestnut, like the brown colour for chestnut horses. So I put my needle through the band and I do a couple of knots just to make sure it's secure. I go back and forth through the loop like that. Now it's nice and secure. Now I come under, go through the plait. You want to make it as discreet as possible. You don't want to make it really obvious that you've plaited the tail there, even though like it is obvious, but you want to make it really neat and tidy. So you pull that through. It's up to you how many times you go back and forth plaiting in the tail in the loop, but I do a couple of times just so it's nice and secure and it doesn't come undone. So don't just do it once and be like, oh yeah, it's done. No. You've got to go back and forth a few times, guys. Give you that peace of mind of stability. Alright, that's done. And then I don't knot it, I just cut it. I just go back and forth that many times. Put your plaiting thread back where it was. Lovely stroke. So now that that's all done, we're going to lift it off. I like to layer it. There we have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to stay up to date with any show horse related topics, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!